Welcome back to Telly Cooks. We have the mushrooms. We have all sorts of mushrooms here. We have some garlic as well. And for Camping Trev, a quick masterclass on garlic mushrooms. 3 ways. These are amazing. And I'm a fun guy to be with. Cue the music. Okay, so mushrooms are great. These are great. We had them on toast. If you haven't seen the one that we did on toast a couple of months back, I'll put a link in. This is what it looked like. These are fantastic. These are your basic mushrooms, and these are your bigger steak mushrooms. So we're going to do 3 ways. So if you go, say you go to a restaurant or a tapas bar and you want mushrooms, they'll do them beaded, garlic beaded. So I'm going to do some with garlic, I'm going to do some with some chili, and I'm going to do these big ones with garlic, and they're so easy to do. Just don't panic. Watch this, it's going to be great. Right, first things first, let's get these moved out of the way. This is what I'm going to serve them with. We're going to have a bit of steak with this, which is going to be absolutely wonderful. Garlic powder, a bit of chili powder. Move these just to one side for a second. And a bit of paprika. Tell you all about this in a moment's time. So let's work on our big mushrooms. These are our big ones. So these are our steak mushrooms, which you've probably seen lots of times. All I've done with this is garlic and olive oil. So crushed garlic, olive oil. And then we need a pan, obviously. So garlic and olive oil. Let's get our mushrooms, just paint the bottom. These are great for on your barbecue. Great with steak, you'll see that in a short while. So we're brushing these with the garlic and olive oil mixture. Push them all together. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to get the garlic and olive oil, pop it inside. So we've got garlic and we have olive oil inside. These will just come out absolutely wonderful. It'll take about 10 minutes in the oven, I would imagine, somewhere around about there. As much garlic as you like. If you like lots of garlic, like I do, stick it in. Bit of olive oil all over the fins inside. And that is it. That's your first one done. We're going to put that in the air fryer, and that's probably going to be about 10 minutes to finish off. I'm just going to pop the steak on. In the meantime, we've got the deep fat fryer ready. I'm going to pop the steak on in the meantime, and that can be cooking. Right, while that is sizzling away, I'm going to prepare our next ones. So I need a couple of eggs. We've beaten an egg, and I've got some breadcrumbs here which I'm going to pop in. There we go. Got some breadcrumbs, and then what we do now for this, before we pan them, is we put some garlic powder in, like that. A little bit of salt, give it a good mix. Them over. Okay, eggs. And I'm going to deep fry these. That's the thing that we need to do. And a knife. I'm just going to take off the bottoms. That one's okay. That one's a bit too much. Just take the bottom off like this. In the eggs, roll them over. In the garlic breadcrumbs. Into the breadcrumbs. This, by the way, is for Camping Trev, who messaged the other day and he said, I need to know how to do these garlic mushrooms. Not a problem, mate, not a problem. So I'm going to do them twice now. I'm going to put them back in again. Double pane, back in. Back in. Wow, looking good. So look at these are your garlic, not a large breaded garlic mushrooms. These are great. Those out of the way for a second. And so what we're going to do, same again this time, is add some more breadcrumbs this time. We've already got a little bit of garlic in there, but I want to add a little bit more. So, a little more garlic. A little bit of paprika. Paprika in. And depending on how hot you want them, a little bit of chili powder. Depends on how hot you want them. It's entirely up to you. You can add more, you can add less. But they do taste really, really good. Let's get them in the mix. Let's get these fried off.
Just like the blackbird needs to fly, I gotta have you by my side, 'cause you make me feel alright. I know some people who play it cool, but baby, I ain't that kind of fool. When I'm with you, girl, there ain't no rules, 'cause you make me feel alright. I thank my lucky stars that life turned out this way. No matter where we are, I know this love is here to